Okay, alignment continues on the rear strut links, and I need to figure out my frame strut connectors. As you can see here, I've got everything lined up pretty well. Look at the gaps between the wheels, the frame. A real level here. Everything is lined up pretty well. I've created my template here for my angle, which will come down through here like this, and it'll tie on to the main frame plates down here and up here. This will be made out of this piece of 2 by 3 inch angle. This is 3/16. And I'll just have to trace this profile onto here and cut this out and see what we have and try to weld it on. So I'm going to try to cut both sides out. It'll be the same. Just turn it around onto this side. And when I get those two pieces in place, then I can support it from the front as well. Here's my little template that I made here. See, it doesn't really hit down in there. It looks like it fits okay. And it'll come up. This piece of angle iron, it'll be welded in place here and along there. So I got to create this out of steel.